Have you ever typed a git command into your R console only to be met with a wall of red error text? It is a frustrating mistake that happens to almost every developer. The secret to avoiding this is understanding the core difference between the R console and the terminal in RStudio. Think of the console as your laboratory and the terminal as your workshop. The console is built strictly for interacting with the R programming language. Every time you type a command or run a script, the console processes it directly within your active R environment. It understands your variables, data frames, and functions perfectly. On the other hand, the terminal gives you direct access to your computer's underlying operating system shell, like Bash or PowerShell. It cannot calculate the mean of an R vector, but it is the ideal place for file management, running external software, and handling version control with Git. By keeping these two environments clearly separated in your daily routine, you can streamline your workflow and avoid the friction of context switching entirely. Use the console for your R code and turn to the terminal for system tasks to make your development process smoother and faster.